In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site title in Squarespace 7.1, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new site or updating an existing one, adding a site title is crucial. It's not just the name that visitors see, it's essential for branding and plays a significant role in search engine optimization. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your site dashboard. From here, you can manage all aspects of your site. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. Squarespace offers a straightforward sign up process for new users, just in case you need it. Next, you need to open the site editor. Look at your site preview in the top left corner of your dashboard and click on the edit button. This will open up the Squarespace editor where you can make changes to your site's layout, design, and content. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. It's user-friendly and designed to give you control over your site's appearance. Now hover your cursor over the site header. A small menu should appear, and when it does, click on Edit Site Header. This is where you can customize your site's navigation, title, logos, and more. Pay attention to these settings, as your header is one of the first things visitors notice when they visit your site. Then you'll want to click on your site title or logo in the header. This will open the editing panel on the left side of your screen. If your site has a logo instead of plain text, you might need to click on that logo first and then click the pencil icon to edit it. This icon is your gateway to the customization of elements there. In the editing panel, you'll find the site title text field. Simply click on it and type the name you've chosen for your site. Remember, this title isn't just text, it represents your brand and is an integral part of your online identity. So pick something meaningful and representative of your site's purpose. It's crucial to understand that this title is not only about appearances, it also serves an important SEO function as it will appear in browser tabs and search results. Therefore, having a clear descriptive site title can help potential visitors find you more easily when searching online. To finish up, click the Save button to apply the new title. This will update your site instantly, and you'll see the new title both in your site preview and on any live view of your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a site title in Squarespace 7.1. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your site's identity and searchability. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Squarespace site.